This is Mitchell Zoller from Global Medical News Network. I'm speaking to Dr. Ole Alhaff, who has looked at the relationship between psoriasis and cardiovascular disease outcomes in people in Denmark. And Dr. Alhaff, what was it that you found?
Well, what we were able to do through our nationwide registries were to track incidence rates of adverse cardiovascular events in an entire population of 4.5 million people. In those patients, people which we followed from January 1st, 1997 until December 31st of 2006, we were able to identify some 40,000 patients with incident psoriasis, of which some 3,000 patients met our criteria of severe psoriasis. And we were able to demonstrate an increased risk of all our endpoints, including all-cause mortality, stroke, heart attack, atrial fibrillation, and coronary revascularization, that is angioplasty or coronary artery bypass grafting. For all patients with severe psoriasis and even for patients with mild psoriasis, the overall risk was increased for atrial fibrillation, stroke, and coronary revascularizations. So our data on this large unselected cohort of people suggest that psoriasis should be considered as a clinically important risk factor for cardiovascular disease, and our studies suggest that people with psoriasis should be considered for earlier risk factor modification than predicted maybe by ordinary risk for example, statin therapy. So I do think that the main point of our study is that physicians caring for patients with psoriasis should be more aware of a possible cardiovascular risk, in that psoriasis is a common disease affecting 2 to 3% worldwide. So, if we could reduce cardiovascular risk burden in this very large group of patients, it could have a considerable impact.
For Global Medical News Network, this is Mitchell Zoller.